Today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers until I beat the high score of 1000 in 3 tries. But if I can't, then I'm gonna have to stop making videos until Friday. Yeah, until Friday. You guys don't want that to happen, right? So to all my fans, they don't want that to happen. So you guys, I wish you luck. Oh, okay, that's the first try. We're gonna have to restart. Let's restart. My high school is, I think, 2307. But this, I don't know which number this is, but I know this is not in the thousand, or it might be. Mm, we're gonna wait here a second. We're just gonna continue. We're just gonna continue. Right. Um, we're not gonna count that as the 1000 score, but now we're just gonna continue. That's my first try, but we didn't count it. Okay, now my second try, I might get this one. Whoa. And if I get 1000, I have to keep going. Like if I die and I reach 1000, that's okay. But if I reach 1000 and I didn't die, then I have to keep going. That's the rule. Rule number one: there's no cheating. Yeah, I think you guys know that because there's no using the keys. There's no using. There's using the ads because that's how I leave. That's how I leave the. Okay, I'm gonna get hit. I'm gonna be caught. I'm really gonna be caught. Oh, there's no train coming in the middle. There was, and I predicted. Okay, let's continue. Oh, the trains are going fast. These trains are going fast. Yo, I wonder how I'm still surviving. Okay, now it's time for the train time. Oh, okay, I'm dodging. Okay, I got the letter Y. Wait, okay, I hit myself. I thought there'd be train. Okay. Oh, I'm actually cooking, guys. Like and subscribe if you think I'm good at this game. Tomorrow I have another video, and you guys have to check that out. Oh, that's open. Oh, three hoverboard. One, actually one. I thought I was lucky enough to get one. I don't think this is 1000. Wait. Let me think. You know what? Sure. Okay. This actually might be 1000. But I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. Don't don't bully me in the comments that I don't know this, please, guys. But yeah, you know what? But we're gonna have to end the video fast, so it's my last attempt. Um, okay. But my next video, I'm gonna play this game with my eyes closed. This is gonna be hard. Well, actually, gonna be hard. But I'm not using AI. I'm not doing things. I'm not using this with my eyes closed. Okay. I make a lot of time with these videos just to make you guys happy because I only have a few subscribers and I want to make that. I want to be a big YouTuber one day. I want to be a big YouTuber one day, and that will happen. Because every kid, okay, that's my last attempt. Okay, that's my last attempt. Because people, okay, okay, guys, we're about to end it. Okay, so guys, we have reached 3,000. You should like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I thank you for watching the video. Sure.